Hello everyone, my name is Beth Shutters. I currently work as the coordinator of technology and PD at an independent school in the Chicago area. I brought Google Apps for Education to the school about 6 years ago and a one-to-one Chromebook program 2 years ago. In addition to showing teachers the basics of using Google tools like Gmail, Drive, and Classroom, I strive to help them find creative and collaborative ways to use Google tools in their classes. I frequently present at educational conferences. Some of my favorite topics have included using Google Classroom as PD and the power of student voice. I recently developed an online self-guided PD platform that I call Learn, Create, Collaborate. Teachers are encouraged to learn about a new topic, create something via Google Classroom, and then collaborate about it on a Google Plus community. One of the modules in Learn, Create, Collaborate helps teachers organize and search their documents in Google Drive. The following is an excerpt from that module.
Think about this. Google is originally and perhaps best known as a search engine. So it makes sense that searching Google Drive would be pretty useful. Let's go over some basics. You can start searching just by typing something in the Search Drive box at the top of your Google Drive screen. As soon as you start typing in there, you'll notice some suggestions start to pop up. If one of those is the document you're looking for, just click on it and it will open. Those documents that pop up when you're first searching in the search bar are those that have the word you're looking for in the document name. But what if you can't remember the name of what you're looking for? Just finish typing and then press Enter or Return, and you'll see a list of even more documents. The ones that have that word in the name, but also those that have that word somewhere in the text of the actual document. Using that search box at the top of your screen should serve your needs most of the time. But, as you know, Google is pretty darn good at this whole searching thing, so let's go over some of the other search tools available. Click on that little triangle at the end of the search box, and you'll see some interesting options. You can narrow down what you're searching for by the type of document it is, when it was last modified, who owns the document, and a few other options too. Here's an example. Let's say you're searching for this year's middle school schedule, and searching for the word schedule doesn't do the trick. You can bring up the More Search Tools box, change it to, let's say, something that's last modified in the last 30 days, and then narrow it down to just those documents who are owned by your principal. That narrows it down enough that we find what we're looking for. Here's one last tip. Google Drive search works best if you name your documents well. Thanks for listening, and I hope you've learned a little bit about searching on Google Drive.